Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Sunshine Variety. What's the new product? Let's welcome our host, Mr. Duck.
Hi there welcome to my channel. This channel is designed to introduce our weekly new product introductions. So here's the question. What is this week's new product? Listen carefully. I think you already know. Yes. This week's new product is Christmas-related products. Let's take a look. Here are some of our hand-picked patterns. Like this one, this one, this one, this one, this one, and this one. Plus we have square cake boards to choose from, like this one, this one, this one, and this one. Plus, we have a cake board in the shape of a Christmas tree. Pretty cool, right? We offer two packaging options, one with wrapped edges and the other with die-cut. Secondly, we also add waterproof and oil-proof protective film on the surface of our products, which is very safe, natural, and environmentally friendly. So, this is a very Christmas set. If you like it, please contact us. We will see you next time. Bye.